Hello everyone, how are you? In earlier tutorials, you have seen and understood about the kidney, its functions. Today, we will read about artificial kidney. Why there is a need of artificial kidney? When a person's kidneys are damaged, his kidneys are not able to perform the function of filtration. So, artificial kidney or hemodialysis is used. Now, when uh, when the person's kidney are damaged, blood is taken from the human body or it is pumped from the human body to a machine, and it is known as dialysis machine or kidney. In dialysis machine, these are the tubes which is which have selectively permeable membrane, and they are known as cellophane tubes. Now here solution is added which is known as dialyzing solution or diacylate. Now this solution has same composition as that of human blood, but it is devoid of nitrogenous waste, that is urea, keratin, etc. or toxic materials. Now, when human blood is pumped out from the body, its temperature is lower down to 0 degrees Celsius, and then it is passed through a chamber in which anticoagulant is added in human blood, that is heparin. So there is no coagulation at all. Now when this blood enters in this cellophane tube, which is selectively permeable membrane, the nitrogenous waste from the blood, it diffuses out in the dialyzing solution, and the pure blood which do not consist any toxic material, it is again pumped in the human body with the help of vein. But before pumping the blood into the human body, its temperature is again maintained. From 0 degrees Celsius, it comes to normal body temperature, then it is pumped in the human body, and also antiheparin is also mixed here so that it comes in its normal composition, then it is injected in, or then it is pumped in human body. This is the working of artificial kidney, which is also known as hemodialysis, and the process name is dialysis, the removal of unwanted substance from the blood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.